everybody, this is Domenic from SA Capital, and today we're going to be taking a look at XRPUSDT. So along with Ethereum and Bitcoin, the market has been in a weird spot the last 2 weeks. Many people believe we're in a bear market. Many people believe that we're going to be seeing higher prices, very much higher prices towards the end of the year. We are hearing multiple different things, but today I'm going to break down kind of what we're seeing on the XRP chart that is going to help us see what's coming up in the next few weeks. So to start off, I already have my support and resistance zones drawn. These are the important ones we need to be watching right now, these blue lines right here on the daily time frame. But if we take a look at the 4-hour chart, we can see that there's been a formation forming recently. We had highs getting lower and lower. We had lows getting higher and higher, meaning the price is consolidating and we're expecting a bullish move very soon. So we could draw a pennant on here, and we could also draw an ascending triangle. First, I'm going to show you the pennant. So right here, this is considered a bearish pennant, but we broke upwards. But in my opinion, this is more towards what we like to call an ascending triangle, which has a flat top and a uptrended bottom. So right here, we can see that this is a slight ascending triangle formation. This is actually a bullish formation. In comparison to Ethereum and Bitcoin, they both made pennants, but XRP has been a bit stronger, and it actually has created the ascending triangle formation. So this leads me to believe we're going to see an upwards break very soon, and we're going to see higher prices starting to revive. But if we see right here, we need XRP to break over its 100 moving average on the 4-hour chart. We have already broken our 50 moving average, unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is a good sign. It shows XRP is a little bit ahead of the market, and it is a bit stronger than those other pairs. But right now, our current resistance is the 100 MA. We have been stuck under it since May 18th, roughly about 2 weeks. And once we see a break above this line right here, this orange line, and this white line right here at about $1.06, I expect XRP to have at least a 10 to 20% revival to mid 110s, but potentially 130, 120s. But as we can see right here, this top line right here on our ascending triangle is at 1.06. And for us to confirm a bullish upswing, we need to see a break above here, a hold, some candles close, and then I expect to see that bullish upswing to potentially the 200 MA on the 4-hour, which, like I said, is about $1.30. But if XRP cannot hold above its 50 MA right here, if the price breaks below this, and then furthermore breaks below its 91-cent support and its uptrend line, I expect XRP to have another leg down, potentially make a double bottom and bounce, or potentially hit a lower low. So as we can see here, we have roughly about 5 days until we get the big move. But Bitcoin and Ethereum at the time of me speaking is starting to break upwards, so we could potentially see this sooner. But as we can see here, the formation has been forming for about 2 weeks, which shows that something is getting ready to happen. So with that being said, I'm going to take a look at the daily time frame, and we're going to take a look at the indicators right here. So the Stochastic Rsi, as we can see, it was in a downtrend since roughly April 6th. It was creating lower highs. We have a trend line right here. It was creating lower highs. As we can see, it just kept making lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. But we have just broken out of that on the daily time frame. So that is a very good sign, and it shows that bullish momentum is building, and we potentially could see a nice 20 to 30% revival. And then onto the regular RSI, we can see another trend line has been formed right here. We could draw it right here, which shows that we are on the brinks of a breakout. We also can draw a different one right here, which actually shows that we have had a false breakout here, but then we broke out here. We confirmed it as support, and then now we're testing our next trend line. So these are two big bullish indicators in the daily time frame that show that the market is going to have a rebound. And as we can see here, XRP has been hanging out about the dollar mark for almost 2 days now. And once we see a full break above this 106 area and to hold it, I expect to see a very nice revival on the XRP chart. As if many of you guys know, the Ripple company, which owns the XRP ledger, they're ongoing a lawsuit right now with the SEC, but many people speculate that that's going to be coming to an end through a settlement over the next month. And Ripple is continuously having wins against the SEC, which many people anticipate that once that clears out, we're going to potentially see the bull run we've been waiting for on the XRP chart. As many of you guys don't know, XRP, there's not full data right here, but its high was about $3.50, which is about right here. And the XRP chart has not broken its all-time high yet, but Ethereum did 2 times its all-time high. Bitcoin did 2 times its all-time high as well, and those are still hanging out above their previous all-time highs set in 2017, 2018. So as we can see here, the XRP chart is actually looking better than most coins, and like I said, the reason being is because the SEC lawsuit kind of put a little blimp in the chart, and it made things go slower. But on a macro scale, on the weekly chart, as we can see, we broke above this major resistance area between 68 cents and 76 cents, and then we came back down and confirmed that as support. So this is a good sign, and if we put it over the monthly, which just had a candle close, we actually closed the monthly right above $1, which is also a very bullish sign. So with that being said, I expect XRP and along with the rest of the market to have some revival coming up here. But on the bearish side, if XRP fails to hold this trend line, this 50 MA, kind of this whole area of confluence right here, which roughly puts us at 88 to 95 cents. If we break below that and we're trading, I expect lower moves, but in my opinion, I think that's the less likely scenario, but we still have to show it because it is a potential. So I hope all of you guys enjoyed that. We'll be back next week with another XRP analysis, but have a good night. Thank you.